Congress leader Rahul Gandhi kicked off the party's mass outreach program Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra from Manipur's Thoubal, which aims to cover a distance of more than 6,700 kilometers across 15 states from Manipur to Mumbai ahead of the Lok Sabha elections. Launching the yatra, Rahul Gandhi came down heavily on the BJP over the recent ethnic clashes in the state that claimed scores of lives. The Congress MP said Manipur is an example of BJP's hated politics and said maybe for Narendra Modi, BJP and RSS, Manipur is not part of India. After 29th Manipur anymore, it got divided and hatred was spread everywhere. Lakhs of people suffered loss. People lost their loved ones in front of their eyes. Until now, the Indian PM has not come here to wipe their tears. It is a shameful thing, the Wayanad MP said. He promised to bring back harmony and peace for which Manipur was known. Milind Deora, a former union minister, announced his resignation from the primary membership of Congress, ending his family's decades-old relationship with the party. With its senior leader Milind Deora resigning just before the start of the Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra, the Congress alleged that the timing of the announcement of his departure from the party was determined by Prime Minister Narendra Modi for headline management to counter the yatra and asserted that it will have no impact. The Bharatiya Janata Party took a swipe at Rahul Gandhi over Milind Deora's resignation from Congress, saying he should first do justice to his party leaders before taking out Nyaya Yatra. The Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra, jointly flagged off by Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge and Rahul Gandhi, is being perceived as Congress' bid to set the narrative in the run-up to Lok Sabha elections barely months away. Explaining the issues to witnessing the program, Gandhi said injustice persists against people and traditions, with widespread issues across the nation. Economically, monopolies are forming. A few individuals have access to the nation's entire wealth. A couple of entities control all sectors, leading to the destruction of small businesses. India is grappling with inflation and unemployment. These are the issues that the Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra will raise. The yatra will end on March 20th or 21st in Mumbai.